Hey there, aspiring bloggers. Welcome to Passive Money, where we turn your dreams into streams. Income streams, that is. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of blogging. But not just any blogging. We're focusing on how to monetize your passion for writing and transform it into a source of passive income. Let's get started on this journey of blogging for beginners, so you can make money using your writing skills. Blogging, at its core, is about sharing your knowledge, stories, or expertise with the world. But here's where it gets interesting. You can actually earn money from it. Yes, your blog can become a passive income generator, and I'm here to tell you how and why it's a realistic goal for you. Firstly, choosing your niche. It's like picking the right seeds to plant in a garden. Your niche could be anything from travel, technology, personal finance, to more unique interests like urban gardening or vintage car restoration. The key is to pick a topic you love and can write about passionately. This passion not only keeps your content authentic, but also attracts a dedicated audience. Next up, setting up your blog. You might ask, where do I even start? Well, platforms like WordPress offer the perfect balance of simplicity and flexibility. It's like the Swiss Army knife of blogging. It has all the tools you need. WordPress is great for beginners and scales with you as you grow. Now let's demystify SEO, or search engine optimization. Think of SEO as the beacon that guides readers to your blog through the vast sea of the internet. Tools like Yoast SEO, which integrates seamlessly with WordPress, help ensure your blog is easily discoverable. It guides you on where to place keywords, how to optimize your titles, and even improves your content's readability. But blogging isn't just about words on a page. It's about creating an appealing online space. Design your blog like it's your home. Platforms like Canva offer easy-to-use templates and designs that can make your blog visually stunning with minimal effort. Let's talk money. How do blogs actually earn? One way is through affiliate marketing. This involves recommending products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your link. For instance, if you're blogging about photography, you can link to cameras or lenses on Amazon. Each purchase through your link earns you a commission. Another way is through advertisements. Programs like Google AdSense place ads on your blog. Every time a visitor clicks on these ads, you earn money. It's like renting out ad space in a digital magazine. But why is blogging a good choice for passive income? Because once your content is up, it can earn you money around the clock. Your blog works even when you're sleeping. It's like having a storefront that never closes. Let's not forget consistency. Regular posting keeps your audience engaged and helps grow your following. But remember, the quality of your posts is paramount. Each post should add value to your readers' lives. Engagement is the key to building a community around your blog. It's not just about broadcasting your thoughts. It's about starting conversations and connecting with your audience. Reply to comments, ask questions, and create a space where your readers feel heard and valued. Loving these insights? Make sure to subscribe to Passive Money for more amazing tips on making passive income. Let's continue our blogging adventure. Understanding your audience is crucial. Tools like Google Analytics offer a window into your readers' preferences. By analyzing which posts get the most views or where your traffic comes from, you can tailor your content to better serve your audience. Promoting your blog is just as important as creating content. Share your posts across social media platforms. Each platform has a different audience and style. For example, LinkedIn is great for professional content, while Instagram is perfect for more visual posts. Remember, blogging is a journey. It takes time to build your audience and start earning. Be patient, stay dedicated, and always strive to learn and improve. Your blog is a reflection of you. Let your unique personality shine through your writing. Be authentic, and you'll attract the right audience. Remember, the beauty of a blog is its flexibility. You're not just limited to writing. You can incorporate videos, podcasts, and even infographics. This variety not only makes your blog more engaging, but also appeals to a wider audience. Diversifying your content is like opening multiple doors for your audience to enter your world. Many of you might be thinking, but I'm not a tech whiz. Can I still manage a blog? Absolutely. Tools like WordPress are user-friendly, and there are countless tutorials available online. Platforms like Udemy offer affordable courses that can guide you through every step of creating and managing a blog. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. With time and practice, you'll get the hang of it. Another way to monetize your blog is by creating and selling your own digital products. This could be ebooks, courses, or printable resources. For example, if your blog is about personal finance, you could create a budget planner or an ebook on saving strategies. Your blog becomes a platform to showcase and sell these products. But how do you ensure people find your blog among millions? The answer lies in effective marketing. Utilizing email marketing tools like MailChimp can help you build an email list. This list becomes a direct line to your audience, allowing you to notify them about new content, products, or special offers. It's like having a loyal community eagerly awaiting your next post. Social media is another powerful tool. It's not just about posting your content, but also engaging with your followers. Join groups or forums related to your niche. Be active, provide value, and gently guide them to your blog. Social media isn't just a broadcasting platform, it's a community-building tool. But here's an essential tip. Don't spread yourself too thin. It's better to be highly active and engaging on 1 or 2 platforms than to be barely present on 5. Choose the platforms where your audience hangs out the most and focus your efforts there. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the time factor. Yes, building a successful blog takes time, but the beauty of blogging is that you can start small. Even if you can dedicate only a few hours a week, it's enough to get the ball rolling. Over time, as your blog grows, you can increase your investment in it. Let's not forget about networking. Connect with other bloggers in your niche. Guest posting on each other's blogs or collaborating on projects can open up your blog to a new audience. It's like having a friend introduce you to new people. It builds credibility and trust faster. Remember, the key to a successful blog is providing value. Solve a problem, answer a question, entertain, or inspire. If your content resonates with your readers, they'll keep coming back for more. And finally, stay updated with the latest trends in blogging and digital marketing. The online world is ever evolving, and so should your blog. Follow blogs, podcasts, or YouTube channels like Passive Money that focus on these topics to stay ahead of the game. To sum up, turning your blog into a source of passive income involves a mix of passion, patience, smart work, and a bit of strategy. With the right approach, you can turn your words into a revenue stream. If this video has sparked your interest in blogging, don't wait. Start planning, start writing, and start your journey towards financial freedom. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Passive Money for more ways to earn passive income. We're here to help you make money in your sleep. Until next time, keep blogging and keep earning.